Greetings and welcome to Caribbean Vanguard. So I have some good news for you today. If you want to do something bold, if you want to do something that's going to raise the hair in the back of your neck, you can now purchase tickets into outer space at a very, very, very low cost of only $450,000. A private company by the name of Virgin Galactic has taken its first private customer flight into outer space. It's been a flight that has been delayed for 10 years now, and they have finally decided to take that step. It's their 7th flight since 2018, and two lovely ladies out of the Caribbean, specifically Antigua and Barbuda, have made history in being the first mother and daughter to take the trip into outer space together. Kiesha, 46, and her daughter Anastasia, who studies at Scotland University of Aberdeen, have made history. And their Prime Minister, Gaston Brown, congratulated the ladies, and he told the young men and women of Antigua and Barbuda to be inspired by what I have just done. He also went on to say that Antigua and Barbuda is now amongst the stars.